IFE highlights for the Belt and Road India DMRC project. With the Belt and Road National Strategy implementation and promotion, the lift industry will have at least 1 to 3% growth from the needs of construction, transportation, and people's livelihood in the countries along the Belt and Road in the next 3 to 5 years. As a listed enterprise representative of domestic elevator brands, IFE integrates itself into the national strategy. Indian DMRC CE19 is a comprehensive project for design, manufacturing, supply, installation, testing and commissioning of automatic moving walkways for Delhi MRTS. The first 2 units with 84 meters length, 3-degree inclination, and 2 units with 50-meter length, 0-degree inclination, heavy-duty moving walkways have been successfully tested by the customer and ready for dispatch. This is the first time for DMRC to use heavy-duty moving walkways for Delhi Metro services, and it is infrequent to see long-span high-rise moving walkways in the field. Looking forward to the bright future of the Belt and Road, IFE will continue to increase support to overseas markets, deepen customer needs, and enhance the market share globally.